Have you ever wondered if your everyday tech gadgets have hidden talents? Imagine, if you will, the humble tablet, the ubiquitous QR code, the soaring drone, and the innovative 3D printer. Each designed with a specific purpose in mind, yet each holding potential far beyond their original intent. Unseen possibilities lurk behind their familiar facades, waiting to be discovered and harnessed. From the unexpected to the downright astonishing, we're about to delve into the unique uses of these everyday technologies. Get ready to have your mind blown by the unseen potential of technology. Consider your tablet. It's great for watching movies, but did you know it can also be a second monitor? Yes, with the right app, you can extend your desktop workspace. It's also a digital artist's dream. With a stylus, your tablet can become an artboard for sketching, painting, or graphic designing. And let's not forget its potential as a home automation control panel. With the right setup, you can control your lights, thermostat, even security systems. So think twice before you limit your tablet to Netflix. Now, about those QR codes. They're not just for restaurant menus or marketing purposes. QR codes are incredibly versatile. Imagine using them for personal identification, a digital form of your ID or passport that's always at your fingertips. Picture yourself breezing through events with QR-coded digital tickets. Or consider a world where sharing your Wi-Fi password is as simple as scanning a code. Yes, that's right. QR codes aren't limited to business use. They're personal, practical, and powerful. QR codes, they're more than just a marketing tool. Drones and 3D printers. You've seen them, but you probably haven't seen all they can do. Let's start with drones. Beyond the recreational fun, did you know they've become a game changer in aerial photography? They're capturing breathtaking views from heights once unreachable. But that's not all. Drones are now lifesavers, literally. They're being deployed in search and rescue missions, providing a bird's-eye view to locate those in need swiftly. And in the agriculture industry, drones are the new scarecrows, monitoring crop health and optimizing farming practices from above. Now, let's switch gears to 3D printers. From plastic toys to life-changing prosthetics, 3D printers are revolutionizing manufacturing. Architects are now able to create intricate models with a level of precision previously unimagined. And yes, even your dinner plate isn't safe. 3D printers are now dishing out food in shapes and forms that are as appetizing as they are innovative. With drones and 3D printers, the sky really is the limit. As we've seen, the potential uses for technology are only limited by our imagination. We've explored how tablets can serve as second monitors, boosting productivity in our digital world. We've delved into the use of QR codes for personal identification, adding a layer of security in our daily transactions. We've soared with drones in search and rescue missions, saving precious lives. And we've marveled at the possibilities of 3D printers in creating prosthetics, transforming lives. Next time you use your tech, think outside the box. Who knows? You might discover a new use nobody thought of.